If you want to see how I created this, keeping it real fun, Valentine's Day eyeshadow look, keep watching. And remember, there is no future in your past, and the I am will come through this video. Watch all the way and subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome. My name is V. Today's collab is with the group Keeping It Real Fun. And we are doing either a monochromatic eye look with any color of our choice or doing a Valentine's Day look. Well, I want to make it both because I know I can make both. So, without further ado, I'm going to start this Keeping It Real Fun collab eyeshadow look. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. Please, I'm asking you, go visit them, give them a like and a comment. Let them know V sent you. This is so fun. I just love coming here talking to you. I appreciate you very much. Very much. I love you dearly. Today's eye will be coming up shortly. Let's start this eye look. Let's see if I can do a monochromatic Valentine's eyeshadow look. Okay, I'm starting with a color. I think it is the darkest one. But we will see. You know what I mean? And if it doesn't come out to be a monochromatic look, it will be a Valentine's look with a twist. So let's go for either one, but it's going to be a Valentine's Day look. Thank you all for stopping by, each and every one, subscribers and viewers. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you very much. Keeping It Real Fun collab group. With the ladies, we go all out on a collab. Valentine's Day is a day of celebration, of love and affection. Valentine's Day is a day to celebrate love and affection. You don't need anyone to give you love and affection. You can be that for yourself. If you celebrate Valentine's Day, it's just a bonus of the love and affection that you already have in your life. And if you don't celebrate it, you still have that love and affection. So don't let that one day make you unhappy. Don't think you need a partner or you need to be in a relationship to celebrate it. If you celebrate it, just go ahead and celebrate it. Celebrate life. Have fun. But don't say, I don't have a partner. I don't want to celebrate it. No, celebrate it with yourself. Love and affection. It is a red I am going to put down. So far, these are two mattes, but I have a shimmer to put down. And I'll put that in the front of my eye in the inner corner section. One thing I want to say today before the I am for today is, whatever you're going through, remember there is no future in the past. The past is something that's going to help us move along. but there is not a future. If you keep living in the past, you'll never be in the present. So no future in the past. You have to be in the now in order to move on. Living in the past is not going to help you to move on. I'm doing both eyes so you can see how I create this look. So you can go back and take your palettes and create a look. It does not have to be the same color, but you can create with any color of your choice. And we all have different eye shapes, so it's never going to look the same, but you're going to be able to create something. Have fun. Today's I am says, I am confident in the path I am walking. I am confident in the path I am walking. You are confident in the path that you are walking. And if you don't feel confident, fake it. The next color is the shimmer. This red looks orange, but it has a red. This red has an orange undertone. You see this? We're going with it. It's happening. There is a shimmer. I'm going to put the shimmer on. When I say, if you don't have confidence to fake it, that means wake up in the morning, say a prayer, and trust God. Do what you need to do and trust God. This is where you're faking it. You're faking you're confident until you feel confident. Lean onto God and fake that confidence until He empowers you to do what you know you already have within you. Again, you see, I'm not quite sure. This red has a lot of orange undertone. I don't swatch over here. I just go with it. So we're going for Valentine's look and we'll see what it looks like. Other than that, be confident in yourself. Do the right thing for you. Do not let your past stop you in anything you are doing. Your past can cripple you quickly. You can spiral down into the rabbit hole fast when you start thinking of your past. Trust me, things will come up in your past that will make you think that you don't deserve the life you're living now. And with that, you can spiral into a whole other life. Don't let that happen to you. Be strong, stay courageful, and do not give up on yourself. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Never, ever give up on yourself. If you are suffering with mental illness or an addiction or any other ailment, please seek help. Help is available. Do not give up on yourself. Do not hurt you or another. And just keep trusting and believing in you. Keep trusting and believing in you. Do not dim your light. Keep shining bright. You were meant to be in this world for a reason. If you have not found out what reason that is, don't give up. Just keep asking God, ask the universe, what am I here for? What am I here for? Every day is a new day. So every day, you just have to just move and move and move and move and don't stay stagnant. And I will see you on the other side with the completion of this collab by keeping it real fun. See you soon. I am back with the Valentine's Day look for the collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. This is what my eye looks like. I was going for a monochromatic Valentine's eyeshadow look. I don't think it worked out because the red seemed to have a little bit of orange undertone, but this is my Valentine's eyeshadow look. The products I use, my highlighter, Juvia's Place, my bronzer, which is way too dark, I know that, but it is from LYS. I have always known that, that's why I don't use it much. My foundation stick by Mented, my setting spray, Juvia's Place. I use two blush, one by Florrie Roberts and one by Mented. I use this bronzer stick from Uma. It has two sides. One has a highlighter and the other side has the bronzer. My eye base, Plain in Makeup by Yolando. I use two powders to set, Juvia's Place and Black Opal. My lip combo is by Danessa Myricks, Color Fix, and Iman, which is a gloss. I use the Gemrock palette by Plain in Makeup by Yolando. I used this color, and this shimmer. That is my look for Valentine's Keeping It Real Fun collab group. This is it. Please go visit the ladies. All the information is in my description box. Please check it out. Click on there, go look and see what look they created, because we always strive to do something better than the last time. I am digging this look. I am digging this look. Remember to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye.